Hi there, I'm Andrew Larder from MarketingSharks.com. One of the top sellers today is called GBP Rank Engine from Lee Cole. So GBP is Google Business Profile, and the ranking on that can determine the number of phone calls, the number of clicks, the number of sales, the amount of business that you do as a small business. So this looks at it using AI to see who's ranking higher and why, and fix it for you. So let's take a look inside and I'll show you what's going on over here. Lee Cole does this kind of stuff all the time. These pretty sophisticated type of software. This is meant to be easy. Point and click, takes data from the top ranking business profiles in any niche in any city and turns it into a format that their AI can analyze. And it says, hey, why are the top listings ranking? What signals do they share? What gaps exist? And gap is where you can fit in. So when you have, I'm going to let you look over the demo video, and let's go to the top here when we get started with this. I'll just quickly mention that the link in the video description will take you to my site at MarketingSharks.com. So you click that link and you'll go see all about that GBP rank. And at the bottom of it, or at the top, I guess, you can click the product box. You read a bit about the description, how it works, and all that, a couple of upgrade offers, and there's a link there. You click that link and you're on this page. So when we're here, let's make sure I'm on the spot and you can see what I'm seeing. You're going to be able to use the AI to find gaps that you can fill and rise in the Google rankings. And this is the GBP, the Google Business Profile rankings. So this is, let's see if I can show you. So here, for many businesses, their Google listing is their advertising. That's the kind of thing it's on. And then here, when the business listing drops in the search results, the damage shows up immediately. Calls dry up, walk-ins disappear, bookings fall off fast. And a small business can lose thousands of dollars, even tens of thousands, when its Google visibility slips one or two spots. So here's the solution. There we go. Everybody's kind of guessing, and they've put together this, the Google Rank Engine, or GBP Rank Engine. And what I want to do is go down. Yeah, so it's software that puts it all together. And yes, so here's a pretty good description of it here. Rankings are tanking, breakthrough, top 3 domination. This is a med spa. So that's the kind of thing. These are small businesses. Look at this. 10 days later, they're getting more traffic, more clicks, more business. And it is very directly related to in the Google business. It just is their whole business. So this, of course, would be a huge, it'd be, I don't know, you could pay $37, all of it, one-time fee, bam, bam. So I'm going to cut it short there. You get the idea. Learn how to rank in the Google business profiles by using AI to fix it and to tell you what you need to do to rise. And you can see that it obviously works very well because they're telling you do this and this and this, get another one of these, that kind of stuff. So click the link in the video description. It'll take you to my site at MarketingSharks.com. Click the product box or the link at the bottom of that blog post. You can read about it there, and you'll come to this site, scroll down, and you can grab it for, did I say 27 or, sorry, I'm making sure it's $37 there. And you just click that and away you go. So check it out. GBP Rank Engine from Lee Cole, fresh out today. They just do a good job on these software. So you can count on this being a really good software. Click the link and go check it out. I'm Andrew Larder from MarketingSharks.com. This from Lee Cole, GBP, Google Business Profile Rank Engine. Enjoy.